Hey, it's Gene with Dent Repair Now, back with another quick how-to tip for you. Today we're working on a Mercedes M-Class. We need to remove the wiring harness for the rear door. I struggled on trying to figure this out. Thanks to Dave Fisher, our technician, for pointing me in the right direction. Let me flip the camera around and show you what we're up against. All right, so this is the style plug we're talking about. And here is what we've got. I could not figure it out. Dave got me set on the right direction. There is a small tab you need to push up right here. And then this piece actually comes out to you. All you're doing is taking the tension off to release. Then as this pulls up, like a lot of connectors today, it pulls out and we've got access to where we can get that out. There you go. All right, thanks for watching. I hope that helps you out if you get stuck on a Mercedes door. If we can help you with a dent, a ding, or hail damage, anything like that, visit us on the web at dentrepairnow.com or give us a call or text to the number below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next time.